I'm going to be myself, like the side that others haven't seen but you have, and I think I will be just that, because I feel like how long will you pretend?
Yeah.
I am not going there only with a vision to win and win and win. If I win, great, but I have to come back and answer myself in the mirror. And I want to be a good person. Why can't a person who's nice and kind and empathetic but is firm also, not like कि एकदम doormat की तरह सबको treat करने देते, वो तो मैं करने नहीं दूंगा. Why can't somebody like that win? Two very big actors were doing that film, like two stars. Okay? And so that one of the actors said, you say this to everybody, na? Because I said something nice to him or her. See, they could either be very offensive about my sexuality, they could be offensive about my firmness. I can't do it. I am who I am. It would have been a problem if I'm lying.
Yeah.
And मुझे रिश्ते नहीं मिले आज तक because I've looked for commitment. You know this.
Yeah.
If I wanted to, doesn't mean that I've not had experiences.
Yes.
But it doesn't mean that I'm looking for hookups. So when you don't look up for these kind of casual encounters, you don't find love in today's time.
Are you open to the idea of love inside?
42 days is too less a time, right?
Okay.
To find somebody. Plus, the names that are there already, they are already married or in a relationship.
My guest today is somebody who's truly, truly very special. And this is, I think, the most special interview of my 7-year-long career. He's not only somebody who's truly self-made and has made his career with so much love and passion, but he's also somebody who's inspired so many people to follow their dreams, including me. And he's just so inspiring. Wherever he goes, he spreads positivity, happiness, and so much love. And now he's all set to rise and only rise on Amazon MX Player's new show, Rise and Fall, welcoming Nayandeep Rakshit only on FPJ show.
Wow, you have not fumbled because I didn't distract you.
Yeah.
But let me begin by telling your audience that honestly, guys, this is the most special interview of my life as well, because today I'm not sitting with anybody but my sister. She ties me Rakhi, so she is my sister. And don't expect any objectivity regarding me from this woman. Please don't. To expect that is a sin.
Yeah.
और हम बहुत comfortably आज बात करेंगे क्योंकि मेरे सारे राज इनको पता है और इनको पता है कौन से राज खोलने नहीं है.
True.
बताइए आप कैसे आपका इंटरव्यू हम कर लेते हैं पहले बताइए.
No. Today the tables have turned and real buddies are sitting across each other.
That's true. But we should introduce Real Buddies again. Do you know
Yes.
that YouTube, I just said this, and absolutely. YouTube has started collaborations. How Instagram पे collaborations होते हैं.
Oh.
So now I think
We should do it.
that FPJ's Rashita and Nayandeep Rakshit's Nayan Sen should collaborate on a
Yes.
lot of things.
Yes.
If everybody agrees.
Done. Agreed completely. So starting off,
देख कैसे फैल गया होगा.
good. We should be comfortable.
Done.
So tell me, Nayan. You know, we have been waiting
Tell you
for this. A reality show. You are firstly, everybody should know that he is the most real person to be on a reality show, so much so that when he first told us, another friend of his and me, we were going to trying to explain him that, listen, don't be too real also, because whatever. So you tell me, how real are you going to be?
I'm going to be myself, like the side that others haven't seen but you have, and I think I will be just that, because I feel like how long will you pretend?
Yeah.
लोग ना कैमरे के सामने प्रिटेंड कर लेते हैं, बट जब 2400 घंटे कैमरा होगा और 42 दिन प्रिटेंड आप करोगे तो कितने देर तक प्रिटेंड कर पाओगे? दैट्स आल्सो अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? एंड यू नो आई कैन नॉट इफ आई डोंट लाइक
Absolutely.
समथिंग.
It's on your face.
Yeah, I am like Kareena Kapoor. There's a viral reel where Kareena Kapoor is like, Kareena Kapoor's face comes with subtitles. I clearly agree and I love her for that, because why not, yeah, to just express that this is something that I possibly am not liking, or this is something that I don't align myself with. But be honest, ऐसा तो नहीं कि पीठ पीछे जाके बोल रहा हूँ. मैं उधर ही बोल दूंगा कि ये मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. अगर कोई मुझ पे चढ़ेगा, there are many people who've tried doing that. So they will see. And honestly, by the time this interview comes out, you will see that that there are a lot of people who have been snakes in my life. मैं तो छाती पे सांप डाल के जाने वाला हूँ. And the premiere, I'm actually wearing a snake in my look. Like the necklace is a snake necklace. So yeah, अब उनके छाती पे सांप चढ़ेगा तो after that.
You will not.
But with you,
yeah.
see, I'm real. I'm saying all rubbish things.
No, no, it's fine. Say. This is going to be a very real interview. How difficult was it to make this decision of, I read your post where you said that you're quitting, you're taking a break from journalism, from hosting for a while. Now, this is what you've been doing for so many years, and I know how much you love it. You know, you can't live without it. 2 weeks or 1 week, you don't do a good interview. You are all sad and cribby, and what is happening? Why am I not doing
I
a
should
nice
leave.
chat? Yeah, you should leave, and all of that. So abhi kaise, how are you planning to do 1.5 months? Because I am fully sure you will go till the last day, and you win, you don't win, doesn't matter for us. You'll always obviously be the winner. But yeah.
You know me really, really well.
Yeah.
What do you think I must have planned?
About what?
About my YouTube, I'm taking a break or whatever. What do you
I
think?
think you must have scheduled things obviously, and
I have 42 videos in the bank.
Wow. Typical Nayan. Always having a bank of 50 videos.
When we used to work together in Bubble and Galata, I always worked on one thing.
Yeah.
What if there is an emergency? What if something happens to me? What if something happens to anybody else? And then what if COVID comes?
Yeah.
You never know. COVID prepared me for the worst. So I feel like at least for a good amount of time, when you're giving your all to this channel, any channel, you are at least prepared. And you know me that when I'm on a trip, I'm the most prepared
Yeah,
person on
yeah.
that group. So मैंने सारे कर लिए. Mohar is going to upload everything. You know that the whole team is there, my social team is there.
Yeah.
Everybody, we planned fully कि ये because eventually ये मेरी रोजी रोटी है.
हाँ.
I am taking this step to explore an avenue which people wanted me to explore for the longest time, and so did I.
Yeah.
And this is a right opportunity because you know how much I love games and tasks. So this is a task-based show. It's not just a personality-driven show. Of course, your personality will come through and through, but it's not just that. You have to really perform tasks to be in the penthouse or to stay or sustain in the penthouse. You have to perform well. So that's something that is very important. Secondly, I feel that मैं ऐसा बंदा ही हूँ कि मैं prepare करके ही जाता हूँ. So the whole post, you know that I have never done PR.
Yeah.
अब जाके थोड़ा बहुत कर रहा हूँ. तो ये जो था कि I'm taking a break. That's why I made it very clear that I don't want to lie. It's like I'm taking a small break.
Yeah.
I will not be here to do interviews.
Of course.
I'll not be here to do the red carpet appearances or looks, right, or coverage. I just said that. I never said I'm going away from journalism. So all the actors also who messaged me, I really personally went and told them, because you know how the industry can function. They might think that I'm really going. There are many people from many publications who have supported me, who messaged me, like the owners and everybody. They messaged me and saying that it's a shock. I said, but hang on, like, you know, it's not that. It's just that I'm doing this reality show. And that's why I'm possibly, and I said that Saturday तक wait कीजिए. तो Saturday Sunday को जब promo आ गया तो मैंने उनको भेजा, and now they know that I'm going nowhere. I've started my own channel for a reason, and you know that reason.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna let that baby die so soon.
Of course.
It cannot have a premature end like that. It will definitely work and thrive. And my most important reason for doing this show is to get visibility towards my platform and towards the kind of content I do. हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे कंपनीज में काम किया जहाँ थैंकफुली हम लोगों को वो मौका मिला है कि वी कुड डू द कंटेंट दैट वी वांटेड टू द वे वी वांटेड टू डू, both of us especially. But there have also been places where people are stuck, where people think that I want to do something but they might not align with it, the thoughts of the company, which is why I started on my own. मेरे साथ तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ, but जिनके साथ भी हुआ है, whatever, at least in the last 2 companies especially that we worked with. So मेरा ये था कि ये मैंने चालू किया है, ये थोड़ी छोड़ के जाऊंगा. शो पे मैं 2 दिन में आउट हो गया तो 20 दिन में आउट हो गया तो जीता नहीं तो, और जीत भी गया तो भी तो एक एडेड फैंडम के साथ, या तो लोगों की विजिबिलिटी के साथ आऊंगा, या तो लोग मुझे पसंद करेंगे या ना पसंद करेंगे. See, if we are both gonna be rivals on the show, like if I don't agree with certain things, then you already come with a fandom of 9 million followers. Those 9 million में से 4 million might hate on me, but they're still giving me visibility.
Correct.
I am not going there only with a vision to win and win and win. If I win, great. But I have to come back and answer myself in the mirror. And I want to be a good person. But I'm going to be a firm person. I will not let anybody devalue me or disrespect me. You know that. जहाँ पे मेरे को एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना होता है, मैं बहुत अच्छे से ड्रॉ करता हूँ, और मेरा एक रुद्र रूप भी आता है. तो ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं है वो साइड. बट जहाँ पे मुझे जरूरत नहीं है, तो I'll be kind and nice. And let's for once make kindness normal, man, on a reality show. Like, why can't a person who's nice and kind and empathetic but is firm also, not like कि एकदम डोरमैट की तरह सबको ट्रीट करने देते हैं, वो तो मैं करने नहीं दूंगा. Why can't somebody like that win? I don't want to be this person जबरदस्ती आके चिल्लम चिल्ली करेगा.
Exactly. That
You
is
know
true.
me, I'll
You
not
will
do
not
that. Reason होगा तो करूंगा
हाँ.
जरूर, खुद के लिए क्या दूसरों के लिए भी करूंगा. Otherwise I will not do it. Let's maybe, मेरा वही है कि भाई एटलीस्ट लोग सोचे तो कि अरे गौहर खान जीती थी यार,
हाँ.
रुबीना जीती थी यार, ये लोग दम पे जीते थे और राइटियस होके जीते थे, तो मैं वो होना चाहता हूँ. यू नो हाउ मच आई लव गौहर.
I know. I love her too.
I know, that's what I said.
But you said something about kindness, and I think the major reason why sometimes you're trolled a lot on the internet is because you're kind. And this is such a big shock because, you know, we're hating on somebody who's just trying to be kind and who's polite and positive. And that's why in my intro I said that wherever you go you spread happiness and positivity, because you truly do that. You are not faking it. You genuinely, it comes, you know, very genuinely to you. But still people, I don't know, misunderstand it and they think that acha ye banda na sabke sath hi acha hai. I don't see the problem in that. I'm sure even in the show, if you are being kind, because that is who you are, people are going to again pinpoint that outside.
Yeah.
Are you prepared for that?
Yeah, because you are never good for anything. If you're kind, it's a problem. If you're unkind, it's a problem. And there is no middle ground also. आज के ज़माने पे या तो आपके अंधे भक्त होने चाहिए, मतलब एकदम वो मैड फॉलोइंग जहाँ पे आप कुछ भी करो वो राइट कर देंगे. मेरी वो नहीं है. अब बनेगी तो मैं चाहूँगा कि फिर भी वो मुझे टोके. If I am doing something wrong, I will not want to normalize it. I am a human being. I am going to make mistakes. I am not going to be right all the time on the show. I might react out of turn and then I will realize it. And you know, if I've reacted out of turn, I will come and speak to you. And I've also had arguments. ऐसा नहीं कि जिंदगी में arguments नहीं हो. जहाँ पे you felt that you've been wrong, we've spoken it out. And but I don't keep grudges. Even if I have not made the mistake. Similarly, I'll expect the other person to understand that maybe it's in a fit of rage or whatever and it's happened. But मैं कहीं पे भी वो line of decency cross करना नहीं चाहूँगा. At least बोल तो रहा हूँ कि नहीं. अब तक अपने लोगों के साथ डील किया है, तो लाइन ऑफ डिसेंसी क्रॉस करने का माहौल ही नहीं हुआ है. बट इवन यू नो पीपल हु हैव रियली बीन अनकाइंड टू अस, you, me, whoever, and our friends, we've never really been mean and unkind to them.
That is true.
We possibly would have discussed it. We don't like them, we don't like their company, and we moved on. But I don't think we've been mean, we've been vicious. I've not been that person, neither have you, neither has anybody, because you're my closest. We call each other Sakhi for a reason. हम लोग गॉसिप तो करेंगे यार, बट नहीं करते, बिकॉज
that is true.
उनको मुंह पे भी बोल के आते हैं हम लोग वही बात. तो वही है. और काइंडनेस की वजह से आई हैव बीन टोल्ड सो मच दैट आई होप पीपल रियलाइज दिस, दैट दिस इज मी. देयर वाज दिस actor, female, male, I will not say, and two very big actors were doing that film, like two stars, okay? And so that one of the actors said, you say this to everybody na, because I said something nice to him or her. So you said this to everybody. मस्ती में ही बोला. And this is a person who I'm very fond of. ऐसा नहीं है. So I said, of course not. Ask your other person only. That person will say that I'm not said this to him or her only. I'm saying it to you. So then after a point, when they came out of the, ऐसा जो होता है ना, स्टूडियो नहीं था, इट वाज अ बैंक्वेट हॉल, तो दरवाजे से वो निकले खाना खाने कुछ करने. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने वहाँ पे 3-4 जर्नलिस्ट थे, मैंने बोला, so who among the 4 of us do you like more? That person said, I like all of you. I said, now see, this is exactly what I'm trying to say. People confuse कि मैं हर किसी के साथ दोस्त हूँ. भाई मैं जिनके घर पे जाता हूँ कंफर्टेबली, बिना झिझक के, और जो मेरे घर आते हैं वो मेरे दोस्त हैं. आई एम अ फ्रेंडली पर्सन बाय नेचर. गूगल कीजिए फ्रेंडली एंड बीइंग फ्रेंड्स का डिफरेंस, आपको पता चल जाएगा. आई एम अ फ्रेंडली पर्सन. आजकल तो वो भी बहुत कट ऑफ हो गया कि यू नो इट्स अ पेन टू टेक मी आउट ऑफ माई होम. आई एम पॉसिबली विथ ओनली माई पीपल एंड आई डोंट इवन वांट टू मीट अदर पीपल. मैं वो जंक्चर पे आ चुका हूँ लाइफ में कि हो गया यार सबके साथ अच्छा बात करो, सब दिस सोशल बटरफ्लाई. आई डोंट वांट टू बी, एंड दैट्स अ रॉन्ग परसेप्शन. Of course, I'm a talkative person, but I'm slowly realizing I'm an ambivert, not an extrovert. Yeah. If I'm comfortable with you, I'll be very comfortable. If I like you, I'll be very comfortable. But if I don't know you well, I'll be a little, you know, in a space. So that people don't realize, that people don't understand. तो मेरा वही है कि hopefully people understand that यार मेरी kindness fake नहीं है. हाँ. क्योंकि देखो जब मैं इंटरव्यू में कोई मेरे से आरा तेरा बात करता है, जब मैं उनको थोड़ा सा गुस्से में कुछ बोलता हूँ या एटीट्यूड में बोलता हूँ या कोई शो पे बोलता हूँ, तब वही लोग मुझे आके जज करते हैं कि कितना रूड बोला. अब जब मैं अच्छा बोल रहा हूँ तब वही लोग बोलते हैं कि हमेशा अच्छा बोलता है. तो ये क्या बात होती है? और आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड यार, मतलब दिस होल पॉइंट। तो ये तो मेरा जजमेंट चेंज होगा कि नहीं होगा नहीं पता, पर ये मैं हूँ। आप मुझे भले कितना जज कर लो, पर मैं यही रहूंगा for the rest of my life unless some grave experience changes my life. Like in the last 2 years, I've become very closed.
Correct.
I don't meet people so often, so there has been experiences which have shaped me like this.
Yeah.
Not that it's negative, but it's just me.
Yeah.
So there might be changes like that which will come with age and experience. But otherwise, I don't think I'm going to change my personality like from completely 180 degree.
Absolutely. I think that's your core. You will not be
able to change
cameras, no cameras, you will be the same. But one thing that happens a lot in reality shows, and हम तो कितना देखते हैं reality show हमें पता है, is personal attacks, like attacks that they know will hurt you, and people try to put some remarks that are below the belt. And I know you are not going to be you are a graceful person, so I am sure you will maintain that even inside the house. But when how are you planning to cope up with such remarks or people who will be just mean to you or go personal?
You know, unintentionally, I don't know if I'm going to make any remark which will work offensively, because you know this very well that आज के ज़माने में ये बोलना मुश्किल हो गया कि आप अच्छी इंटेंशन से भी बात करोगे तो वो कितनी ही अच्छी इंटेंशन से पहुंचती है। अगर आप रियली वेल इंटेंडेड हो तो लोग बोलेंगे कि ये फेक कर रहा है जानबूझ के, और अगर आप जेन्युइनली वेल इंटेंडेड भी बोल रहे हो बट कुछ ऐसा कोई एक उसमें से स्पार्क निकल गया तो लोग बोलेंगे हाय हाय क्या बोल दिया है, नॉट, यू नेवर नो, राइट? सो टुडे देयर इज नो मिडिल ग्राउंड, दैट्स द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम, एंड बोथ आर रॉन्ग. Being good is also judged, being bad is also judged. There's nobody in the world, no celebrity choro, nobody in the world, even my mother, if she is visible in front of people or public gets to see her, she'll get judged. My mother scolds me so much. लोगों ने एक मेरी मम्मी के साथ वीडियो देखा है. I also scream at her. Every parent we will scream. My mother is now not well. I've been screaming at her for the AC, that don't sit under the AC. Now, some people will see it as concern because it is that, right? I'm extremely concerned.
Exactly.
But some people will see it, how dare he talks to his, he's showing all this to his about his mother, he's faking it. Nobody, no. This is how regular people live their life. I don't come from this amazing family of privilege and elitism where everything is like shosha, and you know, you are always taught to be like, no matter what is happening behind the curtains, you are. I don't come from that. We don't. I come from जो है वैसे ही दिखता है, very nice, right? Phone is vibrating. So all this will happen, and I don't know how to tackle with that. आज के ज़माने में पता नहीं यार, मतलब ऑफेंसिव तो कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा, बट क्या कहाँ कुछ हो जाएगा. बट इफ पीपल आर बीइंग ऑफेंसिव, सी, they could either be very offensive about my sexuality, they could be offensive about my firmness. I can't do anything about it. I am who I am. It would have been a problem if I'm lying about it and making other people, like putting other people in an uncomfortable spot. No matter what my sexuality is, my sexual identity is, yours is, anybody else in this rooms is, or on the show, or even the audiences, as long as your sexual preferences are deliberately and not intended to make you feel uncomfortable, to make the other person feel uncomfortable, it shouldn't be a problem to that other person.
Correct.
एक straight इंसान, लड़का या लड़की, अगर किसी opposite sex के लड़के या लड़की को uncomfortable feel कराता है तो उतनी ही बुरी बात है. तो अगर we are not judging them, we are not thinking कि they will do this, so it's wrong to put it blanket ये में. भाई मुझे रिश्ते नहीं मिले आज तक because I've looked for commitment. You know this. If I wanted to, doesn't mean that I've not had experiences. But it doesn't mean that I'm looking for hookups. So when you don't look up for these kind of casual encounters, you don't find love in today's times.
That is so true.
And people take you for a ride, which people have. Like, and people, I mean like normal people, जिनके साथ मेरा कोई रिश्ता था भी नहीं, where I'm thinking कि अच्छा ये हो सकता है, I've realized that that's not what people want. So I am not put them in uncomfortable situations. Neither have they, but they've taken me for a ride. So as long as I don't take any of those 15 people, man, woman, or anybody else, through any kind of discomfort, nobody should have a question on me, is what I feel.
Are you open to the idea of love inside?
No.
If it happens like organically, like you find somebody, why?
Okay, so you know me for 3 years now.
Yeah.
October 3rd
Yeah.
is going to be 3 years
3
of our
years
friendship.
of, oh my God, you remember the date?
I,
Yes.
of course, remember the
Yes,
date.
yes.
And October 5th is sitting right there. Or 1 October 5th is going to come home again, Vaibhavi. So the thing is that in 3 years, there is not one single page of my life that you don't know
Yeah.
about. Good, bad, ugly.
Absolutely.
Dirty also. Right? All my dirty linen you guys also know. She also knows, like, and भाई dirty linen मतलब ऐसा कुछ कचरा नहीं कर डाला जो मस्ती वाले
Yeah.
dirty वाले
Correct.
conversations होते हैं वो we've had those,
Yeah.
right? My point is, in the last 3 years, you know, I did put an effort.
Yeah.
First year छोड़ दो, but in the last 1.5 years, I've tried putting. I've been on some dating apps, tried to find people, met people also, gone to different directions. Borivali, I've gone.
Yeah.
Imagine, I've gone
Navi
to Vashi,
Mumbai, yeah.
Navi
Navi
Mumbai, Thane
yeah.
to meet people.
He'll never even travel outside Juhu Bandra for
Don't
a
say
shoot. For a shoot. But
What
he's gone met people from dating apps in Navi Mumbai, in Thane. Haven't you? Haven't you? You have.
No, I would go anywhere for an interview. Rubbish. That is not right. But yeah, but it's like, yeah, I would not make such an effort if I didn't want something to happen.
Correct.
Plus going and watching some bloody gory film in 4DX. Imagine. भाई यहाँ पे गाड़ी जा रही है, घर 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 move हो रहा है. Imagine, I didn't even know the name of the movie. It was Final Destination, and I thought Tom Cruise. It is so stupid. I thought it's Mission Impossible,
Yeah,
Final
it was so
Destination,
stupid.
and I went there. I'm thinking, अच्छा अभी आएगा ना Tom Cruise, and the person is telling me, Tom Cruise? No, this is not Mission
Yeah.
Impossible. This is Final Destination. So I've tried.
Yeah.
जब वो effort लेने के बाद कोई नहीं मिला है, मुझे नहीं लगता कि 42 दिन is a time where, and you and I have been part of conversations where everybody has their different, all our friends have different needs out of, or desires.
Yeah, because all our friends are already dating somebody. Only 3 people are single now. Salman
four,
bhai,
four.
you and me.
No, 4 of us are single.
No, Salman bhai, you and me.
Shut
That's
up.
it. Nobody
fine.
else is left now.
Bro, Bhavna is single.
Yeah.
Anita is single.
Yeah.
And 2 of us.
Yeah.
Jivita is single, bro. How are we forgetting Jivita? We are eternally single people. I don't know how we've managed. But all 5 of us, ठीक है, are either trying to find and failing, or given up on the idea of love because of whatever we are faced or whatever we are seeing people do, right? So 42 days is too less a time, right?
Okay.
To find somebody. Plus, the names that are there already, they are already married or in a relationship or having
I don't think
partners.
that's an issue today.
No, I haven't.
Being married or being in a
Buddy,
relationship.
you know, my God, you know me. It's a big
Yeah.
issue for me. It's a big
For them,
no.
it's not. I'm not talking about us.
But
For us,
they
it's an
see,
issue.
anybody tries to make a move on me,
Yeah.
I cannot control that. I
Yeah.
will definitely very politely tell them that no, this is not.
Not. This is wrong. Yeah.
But I can be a very good matchmaker. Whoever wants me to matchmake for them, I don't mind.
Yeah.
But I don't think I'm gonna make my own match on the show. And no, yaar, it's very trivial to. You never know. I've not been in that position, so
Yeah.
it's also ridiculous to call it trivial. But I don't think I'll find a match on a show where we are all competing. It's not a collaborative thing. It's a competitive thing. No.
Okay. Tell me something, like, I know about the concept and everything, but tell me a little. And there's a very interesting thing, penthouse, and what is the niche wala cheese called?
Basement.
Basement. Okay. So I know you. You are a very grounded, humble person. You can. If I was there, I would be like, oh my God, if they put me in the basement, I will die. But you're seeing that Tanya in Big Boss, how she's like, मेरे हाथ वो हो रहे हैं and मैं झाड़ू नहीं मार पा रही. So that is me. But I know you. You do all the work and you can cook also, and you've made some yummy chicken and fed us. But where do you want to be? And are you like, do you have an issue if you are put in the basement?
You tell me.
No.
Do you think?
No.
First of all, I want to be in the basement
Oh.
to experience life.
Okay.
People in the basement will be the ones to get evicted, and people in the basement will have to do the tasks to climb up. You tell me as an audience, Rashita. Forget me. Forget your brother is on the show. Forget your Saki, your friend is on the show. As an audience, would you like to see a fallen hero or a rising underdog?
A rising underdog.
So I'll rise.
Yeah.
Even if I start, see, I don't know how the format of the game
Correct.
is. Will I fight for my rights? Of course.
Yeah.
But if I'm put in a situation, because I feel जिंदगी में उतार चढ़ाव होंगे, तो मैं सिर्फ अगर हाइज देखूं और लोज को वैल्यू ना दूं, ये तो नहीं होगा ना. मेरी जिंदगी में लोज आएंगे तभी हाइज की वैल्यू बढ़ेगी. तो मैं जो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अगर लोज में है, मैं उसमें तो प्रूव करने का मौका भी मिलेगा, मुझे टास्क करने का मौका मिलेगा टू प्रूव दैट यस आई एम वर्दी इनफ to be in the penthouse. But I want to be in the penthouse because Rashita knows this. I love Rashita's fashion. I've got some amazing clothes designed. I've spent a lot of money, guys, to get those clothes designed. तो मैंने उनको भी बोला कि यार आउट अगर कर रहे हो तो उसके पहले 7 दिन के लिए एटलीस्ट एक्सपीरियंस करने देना. नहीं तो अगर नहीं हुआ मेरे सारे कपड़े वहां पे तो मैं सारे इंटरव्यूज में एक एक करके पहनूंगा और इंट्रोडक्शन में बोलूंगा ये मेरा इस दिन का था, वो मेरा इस दिन का.
पर बेसमेंट में अलाउड नहीं है ये सब
No, it's
पहनना?
a uniform that
Orange वाली.
हाँ, and you know I've styled that uniform also yesterday. We did a promo shoot or like an intro shoot yesterday, and वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा मतलब I was like you know how I am, a little finicky about my clothes and my hair
Little, remove little.
and skin.
Yeah.
So I told them I need my skincare, I need my haircare.
Yeah.
And then they have put a belt. So I have made sure the belt is styled like this, and you know it has to look fashionable. देखो vanity is not a problem. I am not just vain, na.
Yeah.
But being vain and being intelligent is important. Being everything is important. I want to be vain also.
Also, yeah.
So it's me. That's all.
Okay. You know, you are very, for people who don't know you, he's very close to his family. Like very. He runs to Calcutta. Each time he gets a chance, if there's a shoot in Calcutta, he gets so happy that I get to go home.
I just went.
Yeah, he
3
just
days
went. What was your family's reaction? Like your mom, dad, Dada Bhai's reaction when you first told them? Were they scared? No.
Only my father is scared. About what? My father feels I don't do any work, so how will I understand
like that.
what to do? And my father is only concerned about my food. So there's a vlog that I've done where today evening when you guys are meeting me, there's a vlog ka second part which will go with you. So in the family part, you will see my father is like, what is it that you're concerned about? I asked. He's like, वहाँ पे खाना ठीक से देंगे ना, उनको तो हमेशा he is Rahul from कुछ कुछ होता है. I'm telling you. Everybody's mothers are emotional. My mother is dancing. Yesterday I told my mother at the promo, I was doing a vlog, I'm like, what is this, mom? You are not on. She like, for 2 seconds she did that and like, ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये तो बहुत ही fake है. I'm like, of course, because my mother is not going to cry. And my mother is very strong.
Yeah.
My father is a little emotional about me.
Correct.
He still looks at me like a child.
So
the point is that he might get. So I told my family only one thing, that when you watch the episode and you feel something has gone wrong against me, or I'm crying, or I'm getting really hurt or something, don't show that episode to my dad. That's about it. Otherwise, they are not concerned. They're very happy. My brother is like, you know how Dada Bhai is, no?
Yeah.
अच्छी बात है. अब तो सारा काम करना पड़ेगा. मुझे जो मजा आएगा देखने में. He's like, कुछ तो करता नहीं है घर पे, नवाबजादों की तरह तुम रहते हो. And it's true. When I go home, my brother is doing everything.
Yeah.
He's 10 years older than me. He's always taking the
Dada
pain.
Bhai is a very good big bro.
Yeah.
I can't say the same about Nayan though.
Yeah, I am not. I'm not as good as him. But I'm a good big brother.
To me, he's a good big brother. That is
I've learned from the best. So I'm a good big brother. I'm not a good younger brother.
Yeah. You're not at all. You are an annoying younger brother. And we've all witnessed that on your birthday.
And you will believe this? You know what Naisha has said?
What?
My niece, guys, who's 13 years old. She said, I said, what is it that you want to see me doing inside the show?
Yeah.
She's like, I want to see you massage everybody because you're only asking us to massage you.
You know, I hope they make you do that. I hope your task is to go to the penthouse and massage everyone, because each time he sits, he's like, thoda mera haath daba de. This is your patent thing. But you know, we're talking about your family. So can I please have my phone? Mera phone de do.
Oh, you are doing
I'm pulling a Nayan at you.
Really? Oh my God. I'm very excited for this.
You know, नहीं, कट नहीं करना है, ये रखना है. Okay, yeah. So Nayan, you have done this for so many celebrities, and now you are also a celebrity. So I was like, let me just make this interview a little more special. And yeah, here you go.
That's my dad.
Yeah.
হাই মান্টু, আমি তোমার এই যে প্রোগ্রামে যাচ্ছ শুনে আমি খুব খুশি হলাম। তবে কয়েকটা জিনিস আমি তোমাকে বলে রাখি যে ছোটোবেলা থেকে তুমি বা দাদা ভাই দুজনেই আমার মতন খেলাতে যে কোনো জিনিসেই জেদ থাকতো, জিততে হবে। আমিও ছোটোবেলায় যখন ফুটবল খেলতাম কোনো জায়গায় হারলে আমি খুব কষ্ট পেতাম, দুঃখ পেতাম। আর সবসময় ম্যাক্সিমাম সময় আমি জিতেছি খেলাধুলা করতে। আমি ফুটবলও বড় বড় জায়গায় খেলেছি। তাই সেই সময় আমার খুব ছিল যে যে কোনো খেলা, ছোট বড় কোনো ব্যাপার না, যে কোনো খেলায় আমার জেদটা ছিল সবসময় জিততে হবে। তা তোমার মধ্যে, দাদা ভাইয়ের মধ্যে আমি এই জিনিসটা দেখেছি। আমার হয়তো কিছুটা তোমরা ছাওয়া পেয়েছো এটা। তা সেই জন্য বলছি যে এই যে যেখানে যাচ্ছ তুমি প্রোগ্রামে, জিতে আসতে হবে। এটা হচ্ছে জেদ, আমাকে জিততে হবে এনি হাউ, যে কোনোভাবেই হোক। এবং আমি মনে করি যে আমার এই কথাটা সাকসেস হবে খুব বেশি করে।
That is
এই
so
জেদটা
sweet. My father talking so much on camera, I can't believe this.
Oh,
So I
are
have
you
to-
crying?
I have to tell you something.
Yeah.
So, my father actually had a very tough time medically. I've
Yeah.
seen him go through like really, really tough time. A lot of people ask me why you don't drink and smoke. Because my father left smoking for me.
Yes.
Okay. And when I have made somebody like my father quit smoking, I felt like I have to lead by example.
Of
So
course.
आज तक तुझे पता है कि मैंने कभी जिंदगी में ट्राई तक नहीं किया.
Yeah.
I remember I was 12, 11 or 12. My father had once just gotten so emotional and told me that मेरी जिंदगी का सपना है कि when you give your, because I was very studious and I was very like, I loved studying. It's so weird, but I loved studying. So my father had told me that जिंदगी में यही है कि I want to see you get like really amazing marks and to make sure that I feel very proud. Like that will make me the proudest if you do really well in life. So when my 10th ke board results came, I scored very good marks actually. I scored 93.2 in
Wow.
boards. Actually 94.2 with, if you do the additional thing, and if
Yeah.
overall you do 93.2. एंड यू नो मेरी मम्मी, तुझे पता है मेरी मम्मी कितनी क्लोज है. सो यू गो, तब तो इंटरनेट का जमाना होता था, वो कैफे में जाके देखना होता था ना. तो देखा मैंने, और मैंने पहला कॉल मेरी मम्मी को नहीं किया था. एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, ही वाज नॉट इन टाउन, ही ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू be in different like outstations because he was a civil engineer. He was so happy he's gone, and like battled things. And you know, today also when I see, my mother can hide that pride. She doesn't want it to get to my head, but my father doesn't want to hide that pride.
Yeah.
He just feels so proud. So मेरी जिंदगी में मोटो यही है कि भाई मेरी जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो, मैं कहीं पे भी हूँ, मैं जीतूँ हारूँ, कुछ भी हो जाए, मेरे मम्मी पापा का सर नहीं झुकना चाहिए. और हाँ, ये बात सच है कि I do play to win.
Yeah.
But if I lose, it doesn't affect me.
Of course.
But I play to win.
Yeah.
मैं खुद जीतने के लिए खेलूंगा, मैं किसी को हराने के लिए नहीं खेलता. And that everybody knows. My father was a really good sportsman. He never got the push from his family to continue playing football or become a footballer. It's his biggest and deepest regret. If I was his father, I would have definitely allowed him,
Yeah.
because when I decided कि मैं एक्चुअली डॉक्टर बनने वाला था.
हाँ.
और मुझे लगता था मेरे पापा को मुझे डॉक्टर बनते हुए देखने में बड़ा खुशी होगी, बड़ी खुशी होगी. But when I became a journalist, my father was like, no.
Yeah.
And it's a very weird, interesting thing that one day, even after I started studying for journalism, my father was sitting for breakfast and I was reading biology books for my medical exam another time next year. And तब मैं कॉलेज में फर्स्ट ईयर में था, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में. तो मेरे पापा ने मुझे बोला था कि मैं एक चीज़ बोलता हूँ, 2 ऑप्शन देता हूँ, बंगाली में ही बोला था कि सपोज इमेजिन यू बिकम अ वेरी बिग, बहुत बड़े डॉक्टर बन गए हो और तुमको एक ऑपरेशन करना है, और तुम अगर आज ऑपरेशन नहीं करोगे तो वो इंसान मर सकता है. और उसके बाद देयर इज अनदर कॉल दैट यू गेट दैट शाहरुख खान हैज कम टू कोलकाता एंड ही वांट्स टू डू योर इंटरव्यू. व्हाट वुड यू डू? A 19-year-old me, I think I was 19, yeah, 2010, so I was 18. An 18-year-old me told my dad that I will go and meet Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
तो मेरे पापा ने मुझे यही बोला, इन जिसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन बेटर होगा, कि हैप्पी इज अ मैन हु मेक्स हिज हॉबी हिज प्रोफेशन. सो आई हैव मेड माय हॉबी माय
Hobby or
प्रोफेशन,
That is true.
यू नो. एंड दैट डे आई रियलाइज, अरे मेरे पापा को तो चाहिए ही नहीं कि मैं डॉक्टर
हाँ.
बनूं, मेरे पापा तो खुश है
He
कि मैं
just
कुछ भी
wants you
करूं.
to be happy. Yeah.
And today when I go for anything, and my father, you've been there at the Rani Mukherjee fan fest when everybody,
Yeah.
and I have seen my father like really get emotional when he's come and sat in my cabin in
Yeah.
Galata office. यार यही है मेरे लिए.
True.
मेरे फैमिली, मेरी मेरी फैमिली और मेरे फ्रेंड्स खुश है ना, मुझे ज़िंदगी से और कुछ नहीं चाहिए। उतना मिल जाए जिसमें मेरी फैमिली की सारी ज़रूरतें पूरी हो जाए, मेरे फ्रेंड्स की ज़रूरतें पूरी हो जाए, हम खुश रहे सब, और तुझे पता है कि वो लोग कौन है, बस उतने लोगों में ही मैं खुश हूँ। तो थैंक यू. My father doesn't talk so much. I am very
Yeah.
proud of what you've pulled. Easy to make my mother speak, but to make my
And
father...
it's the opposite. I'll show you why. But I just want to add this one point that we're both closer to our moms.
Yes.
Like not closer. Like how do I explain it?
You are
we
like
share
we are more comfortable.
but there's this different happiness, spark, and pride on your father's face, and it's different. It hits different. So I know what you're saying. I was there at the Rani Mukherjee event, and when that was happening, he was smiling like a kid. Like, you know, the inner kid has come out, and he was
Yeah.
just enjoying. And I have, of course, been with your mom also. You're right. Your mom's a little subtle about how she's feeling at that point, but your dad is like, that's my kid, and I'm so happy.
Yeah.
So I get that.
A lot of people tell me that, "Arey, you only make content with him," because my mother is very comfortable in front of camera. My
Yeah.
brother and father are very similar.
Yeah.
Now he's becoming more comfortable in front of camera. But to
Correct.
push him to do this, you
Yes.
should see my earlier birthday videos that Debanjan and all these people have
Correct.
made, and more,
Yeah.
and everybody. She knows some of them.
Yeah.
My father, "হ্যাঁ মান্টু, happy birthday, ভালো থেকো, হ্যাঁ, আর কিছু চিন্তা করবে না, সবকিছু ভালো হবে."
হ্যাঁ।
All the basic things, and this is so...
Big Mohar got this done. Like I told Mohar that please, I have my interview, so you tell that. I thought Dada Bhai was in Bombay, so I said
I
go
wish.
and record Dada Bhai and record Auntie. So she said no, Dada Bhai has gone back, so I'll ask Dada Bhai to record Dad. I was like, yeah. I asked Mohar also to send a video. She was like,
Dada Bhai
no,
was
I'm
never in
shit.
Bombay, but where is he
She
gone back?
put that biryani ka photo na.
Arey,
tagging
that we
him.
got. I went to Calcutta with mom. We got biryani. She
I
loves
thought he
Dada
came
Bhai's
for
biryani.
2-3 days.
Next time, Dada Bhai send biryani for everybody. Vegetarian biryani here and non-vegetarian biryani here.
Yeah.
But for your husband, non-vegetarian biryani can come. चलेगा. We'll finish this. हाँ, चलेगा.
Okay. We just have one more video.
अरे,
That's
अभी
mom.
तो आई मेरी
1 hour ago का shoot है ये.
Oh wow.
মনে রাখবে তুমি প্রথমে রাইজ অ্যান্ড ফল প্রথম রিয়েলিটি শো খেলতে যাচ্ছ, সুতরাং সব সময় মাথা ঠান্ডা করে খেলবে, সব কিছু স্ট্র্যাটেজি আগে বুঝে নিয়ে তারপর খেলবে। আর মাথায় রাখবে যে তোমাকে খেলতে হবে, চট করে মাথা গরম করবে না, সব কিছু স্ট্র্যাটেজি বুঝে নিজের আশা করি তুমি অনেক বুদ্ধিমান, তোমাকে নিয়ে আমার কোনো চিন্তা নেই। প্লিজ গো, টাটা, বাই বাই, উই উইল বি সেফ।
So sweet.
We'll be safe.
Mom's is like all fun.
We'll be
Dad
safe.
was emotional.
Yeah, we'll be safe.
She's just saying matha thanda rakhne, right? That is what she's saying.
कि हर
Yeah.
चीज में कुछ भी करे लोग, तुम गुस्सा मत हो जाना,
हाँ.
because that's something that is a problem with me, guys.
हाँ.
I am very easily irritable, and
Yeah.
if I'm going through something else जहाँ पे मेरा माइंड ये है, तो मैं और ज्यादा इरिटेबल हो जाता हूँ, मेरा गुस्सा आ जाता है। तो एक प्रॉब्लम वो है कि मेरे भाई ने मुझे क्या बोला, दादा भाई has told me कि just close your eyes, think of me, and think of me saying this to you 5 times, just like how कभी खुशी कभी गम में there's that दिव्या ये, like 5 minutes बाद react करना.
Yeah, 5 minutes baad react kara. That is so true. With Nayan, it is so true that he react. But you're also cooled down
I cooled
very
down in 5
quickly.
minutes, that's
None of
why.
our touchwood, none of our fights
Have
last.
lasted.
Like we only start
This one
either
also,
laughing or
where-
something. Yeah.
20 minutes max, 5 to 10 20 minutes चलो मैक्सिमम। मेरे को रात को नींद नहीं आती भैया किसी अपने के साथ झगड़ा हो
झगड़ा
गया
करके।
तो। और कोई अपना नहीं है तो वही झगड़ा रख लो, मुझे कोई
But
फर्क नहीं
lastly, your entire family has very sweetly wished you luck. And here it is.
বেস্ট অফ লাক নাইন।
पड़ता। This is my जीजाजी। ओह
একদম ঠিকঠাক করে জিতে আসতে হবে।
বেস্ট অফ লাক মান্টু, জিতে ফিরবে।
Rise and rise, Mantu. All the best, rockstar.
दीदी यस।
Best of luck. Make sure only rise and don't fall.
Best of luck, Mantu Baba.
সবাই মান্টু
All
বলে
the very
দিয়েছিল।
best, Mantu.
Mantu.
Mantu is my nickname, guys. Dak naam in Bengali. Oh my God, this is so sweet. I love it. आज जिंदगी में मेरे साथ फैंस फेस्टिवल हो गया भैया।
See. I was like, how to you are a king of. I always call him the Shah Rukh Khan of the media industry, and this is his face always, and he gets very shy and embarrassed, and he's like, don't say that.
Yeah,
but
because Shah Rukh Khan is Shah Rukh.
but I'm using it as a big thing now.
Thanks.
So obviously that is what I feel, and so I was so scared. I was like, how do I make this interview special for you? Of course, me sitting across you is already very special.
Absolutely. And जितना भी मजाक कर ले, but it is genuinely very
Yeah.
special. It is very, you know, Rashita, when I was 30, the 30th birthday,
Yeah.
I realized that something shifted in me, and I thought that maybe post 30 I will never be able to make new friends because of some friends backstabbing me very badly. But you guys, most of my people today are also people, some people who have known before 30, but there are many people who have become so close to me in such little time that notion is gone. कि यार दोस्ती अब, बट मेरी जिंदगी, आई ऑलवेज से दिस, कि मेरी जिंदगी में भले ही मोहब्बत नहीं रही हो पर प्यार की कोई कमी नहीं रही है यार. मतलब प्यार इतना मिलता है और दुआ इतना मिलता है. अपने, मैं अपने लोगों के साथ खुश हूँ और मुझे मेरे अपने बहुत है. तो आई फील लाइक आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी इवन इफ आई स्टे लाइक दिस with for the rest of my life. I'm actually very happy as long as my people are there with me through till the last day. And the best thing is that all my close friends, their partners, I love, they love me. So there can never be an issue. Like it's a close knit but a really healthy gang.
True. And you always keep saying about love. I feel
हो जाएगा कभी ना
people who are, I truly feel, and I always say this to you, and मैं बस बोलने के लिए नहीं बोलती, I feel people who are genuinely nice people, like we always talk कि अच्छे लोगों के साथ ही बुरा होता है and all that, but I feel अच्छे लोगों के साथ in the end अच्छा ही होता है, and they truly find true love, and that even that part will happen for you. I'm
but
so
I,
sure.
you know, मैंने ये कोई इंटरव्यू में शायद बोला होगा या नहीं बोला होगा, but मैंने, because you spoke about family, even if I find the true love of my life, but I don't find it in due time. Due time is not any age. Due time is still I have all my family members with me. Even if one person is missing, I will never take that step and I will never get married if my mom, dad, my brother and my friends and all of them are not there. But if my mom, dad, my brother are not there, like physically, I will not get married. So if God really wants me to fall in love and find a partner and settle down, this is the time. Because ये मेरा चैलेंज भगवान के लिए है. हमेशा भगवान ही क्यों चैलेंज करेंगे. आज मैंने ये उन पे छोड़ा है कि आप ये करो ना मेरे लिए. मैंने तो किसी का बुरा नुकसान नहीं किया, तो आप मेरे लिए इतना कर दो कि अगर या तो मिलवाओ ही नहीं चलेगा, बट अगर मिलवा रहे हो तो टाइम पे मिला दो, ताकि एक टाइम तक मेरी फैमिली ये देख के जाए. Otherwise, I will not do it. I will never do it. I am very, and I'm a Taurian. I'm very stubborn about certain things. This is something, and I've recently thought about it, and I'm saying this to you. Like it's been a month or.
But why will we think about all that? Yeah, everything's good, and I'm sure your family is around. They'll be around. Your friends are around. But lastly, before we wrap this, or else Millie will kill us, both of us. One message to everybody who's going to support you, who will turn into your fans. It's giving me so much happiness saying this, but who'll be like Nayan fans, like who'll fight for you, and
I told my team that we should, if we have a group, they should be as maniacal as Pagal and as weird as I am. So it should be Nayaniacs. What do you think?
Nice word, Nayaniacs.
Anything else do you have? Nayaniacs की जगह पे? Army तो already is there, and Wish ki army is also very supremely supportive of me.
But Nayaniacs is good because you are, so your fans should also be that. But one message for all of them.
So one message would be that, देखिए, आप मुझे पसंद अगर already करते हो तो I hope कि मैं आप लोगों को, I don't let you guys down. Just like how I would say that, how I said that I don't want to let my parents or my family members or my friends down by doing anything obnoxiously bad there. I don't want to let anybody who have met me or who have not met me but supported me virtually, digitally, and send me those duas and love and support. I don't want to let any of them down. They shouldn't feel like we supported a wrong person.
Correct.
Secondly, जो लोग मुझे पसंद नहीं करते, I hope that I do something जहाँ पे आप मुझे as a person समझ पाओ, और भले ही आप मुझसे प्यार करने ना लग जाओ, but आप मुझे tolerate करने या पसंद करने लग जाओ. You may not love me. I hope you end up liking me a little bit or liking parts of me. And कोई भी गलती हो, क्योंकि गलती तो होगी
हाँ.
एक शो में गलती होगी, because we are all humans, we are not God. So I will make mistakes, knowingly, unknowingly, intentionally, unintentionally, but आप लोग थोड़ा अपना समझ के माफ कर देना.
So sweet, so sweet. But on that note, thank you so much, Nayan,
Thank
for
you,
joining
my
in.
Sakhi. We call
I
each other
hope
Sakhi.
you win and come, because I know how strong you are, and I know you are an all-heart person. So whatever you do, you will do it with all honesty. And you are a very respectful person. So I hope you get all the love and respect you truly deserve. Win and come. Even if you don't, you know, you will always be the winner
Winning
for
is
us.
not everything.
Yeah.
I just hope that you guys feel happy
Proud,
and proud
yeah.
of me, and whether I do right or wrong, Rashita has to cheer for me. There's no other option.
I don't have an option
That's
left. That's true. But thank
Thank
you so
Thank you,
much.
Rashita, for
Thank
everything.
you.
See you in the evening.
Yes, yes.
Hi guys, this is me, Nayandeep Rakshit, and you're watching me on FPJ with the lovely Rashita, who's also my sister.